Welcome to S&T Snail production. Presently, we are in Lagos. Our factory, our farms, our refinery where we produce snail slime is in Lagos. Now, another client has shocked us again by taking us across the sea. That's the family of theocracy and the family of the clients. We are crossing water for an inspection. This is the land. What I am presently doing there is I'm taking the sample of the soil for laboratory analysis. Before now, we used to test the pH of the soil before we start operation. But we have migrated more than that by taking the sample of the soil to the lab for proper analysis of nutrients and some pathogens present in the soil. This is a wonderful project to kickstart February 2022. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate all our customers, all our clients who we build for, and also our students. Thank you very much for putting your trust in us. Thank you for trusting in S&T. Also, I want to use this opportunity to strengthen some facts that before you give any farmer money to start your farm, please, once again I say please, investigate them very well because there are so many fraudsters out there. They will take your money and disappear. Investigate them. They use people's farm claiming that they are the owners of the farm, they are the builders of the farm, and if peradventure they should build your farm, immediately the farm complete or before the farm, they are nowhere to be found. So please, be careful. This is our project that we just completed in Edo State. The client saw us in the internet. We discussed. He made a payment for inspection. We arrived in the city and we discussed. He gave us the fund of 12 plots. This is the actualization of the discussion. This is the actualization of the plan. As discussed, we deliver. S&T Snail production will always deliver. It is our privilege to say thank you. It is a honor on our part to always deliver an organic farm well designed. Refineries are what we build. But if you want to farm snail meat, snail refinery, whichever.
Yeah, this is S&T College of Ashat in Ide. My name remains Engineer Theocracy, the Inspector General of Pilom Muloska. I am here with Ifeanyi Iyama, and we are trying to build a snail farm here. These are the samples for analysis. I have 10 samples. The other one is there for analysis. This contains three samples, and we are trying to build a massive mega snail farm in Lagos. How many plots is this?
This is 11 acres.
11 acres. That's 66
plots of land.
66 plots of land here. Sir, do you have any question to ask me?
Yes, please. I have a question. I learned that most times when you bring snails to a farm, that they die. What causes the death? Why do they die when they bring them to a farm?
Thank you very much. Now let me give an answer to this. So many clients have been asking me, so many people calling that why do snails die immediately you introduce them to the farm? This is the answer. Now, when we build the snail farm, we build a natural habitat for them to live. Since you are building a natural habitat for them, you plant things that they will eat, so many vegetations on ground, they are all complete, beautiful. You have built their housing, which is the snail where they will stay. Now, introducing them to the farm, remember, you brought them from somewhere. They themselves have not defined that place as their own habitat. You have defined it for them. They too will define it. Now, let me give you an illustration for you to understand. When you move into a new apartment, you move into a new house, no matter the gadget, all the gadgets you are looking for is in that house, but you realize that your spirit will not master that house immediately. It will take you 1 week, 2 weeks, if not possible, a month before you start having that feeling that this is a home. Are you getting me?
Yes.
So not immediately you move into a new house, you just adapt.
Yeah.
No, it's not possible. So when the snail move to a new farm, they will not adapt immediately. That period, some of them will die. Some of them will survive. Now, how do they define a farm as their habitat? 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, they will start excreting. So the moment they start excreting in that region, they keep perceiving their excrete. They are already defining that area as their habitat. Remember, you have done your part by giving them a natural habitat. It is now left for them to adapt into the system. So that period of adapting to the system you just brought them now, some of them will lose. You are going to lose some of them. So that is the reason why they die sometime. But immediately they have defined that area as their habitat, the death rate will stop. Even if you introduce another one, those ones will not die, because this first one have already defined that habitat. It is not every bush you see snail. There are some bushes you will find snail, you get tired, you will not see snail. But there are some places you see snail everywhere. They define that region as their region. So snail will surely adapt any farm you bring them to. You have done your part, they will do their part. So that period of them doing their part, some cannot survive it. They will die. So that's the answer, sir. All right, I remain your humble and shouting needed culturist. Presently, we are in Lagos. We are in Lagos, and all ladies fire attach me. We will soon start operation 66 plots. I think this is mega. You agree with me? We are about to start shortly. Thank you.